I'm doing some shop organization today. First thing that I did was I upgraded these lights to be daylight. The light that I installed above the garage door was daylight, but these were soft light in the 2700 range, and as well as these. So if you notice on my last video, it was like color temperature of the light was like going crazy. So now it's all consistent with the daylight outside and all the light around, which is a nice upgrade if I'm gonna make more videos, so it's kind of cool. I'm also pulling out a bunch of stuff, just kind of organizing and figuring out what I want to throw out. I've been in the shop for 2.5 years and I just keep acquiring things and stuff that I've tried that, you know, tools, things like, you know, mold making. So I got a bunch of like clay for like molds. Like right here's fun. These are molds of a Mickey ice cream bar I sculpted and then made out of resin for our shoots for my job, which is kind of fun. But so I don't really want to throw that out because that's kind of cool if we ever need to make more. These are some failed paintings. It's truly awful. Here's another one, just so bad. Oh, this one's fun. So I wanted to paint a Back to the Future painting. I kind of like this one. It's terrible, but it's also kind of fun. Flux capacitor. I'll probably make a frame for this one, so it's kind of fun. I did some dumpster diving yesterday and found some really useful 2x4s that were in the dumpster of a construction site near my house. They were gonna go to the dump, so I don't see a problem with pulling out things and reusing. The only problem is they've got these nails pretty gnarly, and I could take the time to hammer them out and use the full board, but it's like, I mean, that's another like 5 inches off of it, if that. So I'm just gonna go through and clean these up and make them useful. See? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Isn't that the phrase? I did find one that I wanted to just knock these nails out so that I could have a much longer board. Perfectly usable piece of wood now. So there you go. That's not a bad amount of wood for about 10 minutes of dumpster diving. 2x4s cost about $4 a piece, I guess, and for like an 8-foot board, so maybe I saved like $24, maybe. Some days in the shop are just kind of relaxing, and you just kind of get little things done, get things cleaned out, get things organized. So that's kind of what today was. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you did, and we'll see you on the next one.